Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. I just want to bring one thing to everyone's attention. So if you're watching this video and you have a touchscreen stove or a electric glass countertop stove with these fancy little touch controls that are super cool. Well, the one thing that I noticed with these that could actually be extremely harmful that I want everyone to be aware of is I came out of my bedroom the other night and this burner was just on full blast. I hadn't used the burner at all that day, but this burner was on full blast, and you could actually see on this butcher block how it started to burn it. So you could see how that could be extremely dangerous. And the reason that it turned on, I think, is if you're like boiling pasta or whatever, you're creating steam and it's starting to collect condensate on your microwave or just around the area in general, then these touch controls could turn on. And I'm going to kind of show you what that looks like. I'm just going to spray some of this cooktop cleaner around the area and see if I could get it to turn on. So yeah, you can see right there, those burners just turned on. The oven just turned on. So they are very sensitive to liquids. So I just don't want people thinking. You can see how that's turning on. Look at these, are both on full blast. And they're not really turning off. So you can see whatever it did, it synced these burners up, which I don't even know how you do that normally. I guess that middle button maybe, yeah. So it turned this rear burner on full blast, and I mean, I don't know if it would have actually caught that butcher block on fire, but it was, you know, it was charring it. So just always be careful with this. Whenever you're cooking, whenever you're done cooking, make sure you wipe down the area fully, make sure there's no moisture anywhere. And then the number one thing you need to do is find, you know, if you have a different fridge or a different oven than this, make sure you find the lock control. On this one, you have to press it down for 3 seconds. And you can see now the controls are locked. But even if they're locked and moisture gets on that lock button, that could cause it to unlock and the burners could turn back on. So you just want to make sure there's never any moisture in the area when you walk away from these stoves. You could catch your house on fire if you're not careful. And also, so yeah, I mean, you could see here we just used this Weiman cooktop cleaner. This is actually a really, really great cleaner for like everyday messes on here. I'm not, you know, selling this product. They're not endorsing this video, but I use this every single day for all the small messes. And then for the bigger messes, I use this cerama bryte, which is actually really, really good for like grease. So again, I'm not like sponsored by these guys. These are just what I found to clean this glass cooktop extremely well. This is for like caked on messes, but that's kind of besides the point. The main point of the video is just make sure the controls are locked, make sure there's no moisture on here. And yeah, guys, I mean, if you do want to check these out, I'll put a link in the description on where you could pick these up. And yeah, guys, let me know if this video helped you. Hopefully it did. Hopefully if it saves one person, then, you know, or one house from burning down or whatever, then this video was worth it. So yeah, make sure you like this video if it helped you out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.